Hello everyone, my name is Basim Shindi, and in this video I will show you how to upgrade your vRealize operations A.X to the latest version. I would like to thank Varghese Philippos on his blog post because this is the blog post that I used to do the upgrade myself. Please go ahead and check the link in the description of this video. You can check all the prerequisites and checklist for upgrading your vRealize operations. I will not mention all the checklists and prerequisites. You can go ahead and check Varghese's post. The reason I'm upgrading my vRealize operations, which is if we can see here about it's 8.6.0 and I'm upgrading it to 8.6.2, and the reason for that is to mitigate the latest log4j vulnerability, which the patch has been released recently, and I will use this patch to upgrade to the latest version. The first thing to do is to uh, download two important files to upgrade your vRealize operations. So I went and I connected to Customer Connect portal, and in the Customer Connect portal you can find these two files. The first file, this one, which is 6 MB, this is an assessment file that you use to assess your upgrade process and checklist before upgrading your vRealize operations. And the second file is the file that you use to upgrade your vRealize operations. Basically, I will leave links for the two files in the description if you want to go ahead and download them. After downloading the two files, you will need to go ahead and log into the admin portal of the vRealize operations. So basically, you will use the same FQDN or IP address slash admin to access this portal. In this portal, you will find the cluster information about your environment, your vRealize operations environment. As you can see here, I have only one node because this is my home lab, which is the master node, and the cluster status is online. You can see all these tabs, and we will be using the software update tab in order to update our vRealize operations. The first step of upgrading your vRealize operations is to use the assessment tool that we already downloaded to assess the upgrade process. So how do we use it? We go to the software update tab. Okay, and in the software update tab, we will have to install a software update. So we will click on this and browse the tool. We want to see where did we download this tool. So we will find that this is the tool that we downloaded. Okay, and we will click upload to upload the file, and it's now uploading the file, and we are now in the process of installing this file, this assessment tool, into the vRealize operations. And then after it is already installed, we will see how can we check if this is compatible for the upgrade or no. Then we can go ahead, click I accept the agreement, and click next, and then install the software itself. So it will go ahead and install the software for us, and afterwards we can have a look at the checklist and if it's okay to go for the upgrade or there are things that needs to be done. As you can see here, the file is already installed. We can see that software update has been installed. This is the assessment tool. How do we check the issues, or if there is any issues that needs to be addressed before upgrading? We go to the support tab, and then we check the support bundles. We will find this is the latest support bundle that we have here, and then we can download the support bundle itself. And after we download, if we can save this here, after we download the support bundle, we can open the zip file itself. If you open the zip file here, you will find this folder. You open the folder itself, you open the report itself, you will find these files here. You open the index. Let me see. And after you open this, we can go ahead and bring it here. It's loading. And this index, we will find if there is any issue or any impact that will potentially happen for the upgrading. It's still loading. After it is loaded, you will find here the list of all the warnings. If there is any warning, you will not, if you can see here, there is not a big warning here or something, or alert or something. And if you can see here, the remove discontinued metrics, you'll find if there is any impact here, but there is none here. So we are okay to go ahead and do the upgrade. Now let's start our upgrade process. But the first thing, there is an important thing to do, is to take a snapshot of the vRealize operations. So go ahead and go to the system status here, take the cluster offline, shut down your nodes, and take a snapshot of the vRealize operations nodes, and then take the cluster online again before doing any upgrade. I've done this in the background, so I don't need to do it now, but it's very important to take a snapshot of your vRealize operations environment before doing the upgrade itself. Now, let's go ahead and do the upgrade. So we can go to the, again, software update, and go ahead and do install a software update. For that time, we will browse and we will take the upgrade file itself, okay, and we can go ahead and click upload. It will take more time because it's a bigger upgrade file, but once it's uploaded, it's pretty easy to go ahead and install it. I will pause the video for now and I will come back after this is finished. As you can see now, the update file has been uploaded, and you can see that this is the pack file, this is the version 8.6.2, and the signature is valid, and there's a warning here that the update will restart the cluster during the update itself. So we can go ahead and click next. Again, accept the agreement. We'll see here all the update information, and then we can go ahead and click install. After we click install, it will take some time again to install the file, to install the update. And as you can see here, the vRealize operations is not available, and it will be available after the upgrade is done. So I will pause again the video now, and I will come back after the upgrade is done. As you can see, the vROPs has been restarted. I can now try to log in. It's logging in, and you will see here the update status. You can see here that the installation is still in progress, and it will take some time to finish the update. So we will wait again until this is done. And it's done. As you can see here, the software update has been installed, the status has been done, all the steps has been completed. So now our vRealize operations has been upgraded. If you go to system status, okay, you will find that the nodes are up and running now, and the cluster status is online. So we can go ahead and log into our vRealize operations, and let's see. Now we can use this. And now it is logging into the vRealize operations. If you go ahead and click about, you can see that this is 8.6.2. Now we have successfully upgraded our vRealize operations, and we finished all the steps required. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video. I'd like to thank Varghese for his amazing blog post. Again, I will leave a link in the description for his blog post, and hopefully it was an informative video for you. Thank you and see you soon.